And back home, two teenagers, one of whom was pregnant, were killed by gunmen at a house on Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, early this morning. 17-year-old Shanoy Henry, also known as Angel, was said to be pregnant. Her 18-year-old boyfriend, Cambry Reed, was the other victim. Jermaine Smith tells us more in this report.
There are many unanswered questions this evening on Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town. Until the answers are revealed, the community is in shock. Many are mourning. The lives of two teenagers came to a gruesome end as gunmen struck in the wee hours of Saturday morning, killing 17-year-old Shanoy Henry, who was said to be 8 months pregnant. Her 18-year-old boyfriend, Cambry Reed, was also killed. TVJ News spoke with Shanoy's cousin.
Me and our cousin were there yesterday, talk, everything. They know said this is today.
The police are yet to establish a motive. The boyfriend was reportedly preparing for CAPE exams. Several residents were visibly shaken, and mourning may continue for a long time yet.
I don't know what these two could have done or what could have caused anyone to come and, murder them in this gruesome manner. But it is really sad, and these people are unconscionable because they're practically kids. Right now, the entire community is in mourning.
There's a belief that monsters are loose and that no effort should be spared to bring the perpetrators to justice.
I'm using this medium to appeal to the authorities. Please see what can be done to catch these perpetrators, these hyenas, because no human being could possibly do something as this. We need to catch these people. We need to take them off the streets.
Jermaine Smith, TVJ News.